Today I'm gonna show you how to make $1 to lot of dollar. It's a simple trick anyone can to do. And first of all, you have to create a new document in a background and select the object what you want. I have selecting this dollar, and you have to select whatever it was. You have to select that first and go to edit and click define pattern. Click that and name it whatever you want. I name dollar. Okay, and then you have to drag in the object to the background and go to fill, and you have to make sure that you have selected that and click OK. Then you will get this interface. You have to select any of this. I will already set that to this my selections are. If you want to more object increase your background, you have to brightness, you have to brightness, you have to increase that, you have to lower your brightness, you have to change that, and make sure this one is minimum scale factor and maximum scale factor is same. Make sure that is you are doing well, and rotate the pattern and click OK, and you will get a lot of monies like this. When you have to go to fill next and click OK and click one. Yeah, there is lot of money. And that's for today's video, and I hope everyone enjoy, and bye. I will see you in next video. Okay.